Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a paper photo frame easy. First, gather your supplies. You will need one sheet of sturdy paper, like cardstock, measuring about 8.5 by 11 inches. Also, grab a ruler, a pencil, and a pair of scissors. Don't forget some glue or double-sided tape to secure your frame. Finally, have a favorite photo, around 4 by 6 inches, ready to display. Now, let's begin by creating the base. Take your paper and fold it in half lengthwise, then unfold it to establish a clear center crease. Next, fold both long edges inward so they meet precisely at that center crease. This creates a narrower strip. Flip the paper over and fold each short end inward by approximately 1 inch. These folds are crucial for the frame's stability. With the base ready, it's time to form the photo opening. Unfold those 1-inch flaps you just created on the short ends. Now, focus on the long edges, fold the corners inward to create neat triangular shapes. These triangles will define your photo's window. Carefully refold the 1-inch flaps back over these triangles, securing them firmly. This action creates the perfect space for your picture. To finish your frame, apply a thin line of glue or double-sided tape along the inside edges of the frame's back. Carefully slide your 4 by 6 inch photo into the opening you've created. Press down firmly to ensure the picture is securely held in place. Now, the fun part, personalize your new frame. Use markers, stickers, or any other decorative elements to make it uniquely yours. Enjoy your handmade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.